Moni. Good morning, goeiemorgen. Firstly, I want to thank the organizers for a peaceful march. I've met 2 weeks ago with the organizers discussing the way forward. Now, firstly, we as a George municipality are not in favor when the community take action in their own hands, and when there's injury to one, whether it's documented persons in South Africa or undocumented persons. And that's why I've called a meeting 2 weeks back on the 5th of June with the Church Fraternal, with the organizers of this event. And therefore I firstly want to thank you for the manner in which you have handled the situation up until now. Now, today, the 19th is a very important day because I've actually written to the National Minister of Home Affairs way before March that the minister should come down. Now, he has sent his office to George today to have discussion, and unfortunately I was supposed to start at 11 o'clock because it's clashing now with us, but I'm here to receive the memorandum. We acknowledge that, and within the municipality's power we will do. But I want to tell the community firstly, the challenges that we sit with in the community needs a whole society approach. It needs an approach of various governmental departments, because we as the local municipality write bylaws in terms of whether it's a spaza shop, etc. But the licensing of such a shop to operate sits with the district municipality, as the Mr. Strato just explained. Then further to that, once it comes to employment, it is a function that sits with labor. The local George municipality can only act within its ambit of its laws. That's why there's different spheres. So firstly, we need to understand how these things work. But I'm grateful in the manner that the organization has handled the situation. We want to see that the correct processes need to be followed. We want to see that the police and immigration and Department of Home Affairs, together with the local labor, everybody take hands and resolve the issue. But I want to thank the community in the manner that you've handled it. We've seen what happened in other towns, we've seen what happened in the rest of the country, and we've seen this morning how peaceful you have done the march, how peaceful we can engage with you, and I'm thankful for that. But it's important that we know as South Africans, because if I look into a crowd, how can I tell who is documented, who's not documented? And that is one of the biggest challenges. Somebody must just sound different as myself, then I decide you are not South African or you're not documented. So that is important that we should remember that. It's only the Department of Home Affairs that can tell whether somebody is documented or not documented. Then the necessary immigration and the police should take their course. So thank you for the community for working with us. We as the municipality also want to see just happen in our municipal area. We want to see that there's job opportunities, fair job opportunities, and the necessary processes are followed. But it's not only in our hands, but as a leader, I've met with the necessary church fraternal, I've met with the necessary groupings, I've met with the councillors, and we had this discussion as how are we going to work together. And I've written to the minister way before this time, because I wanted to inform him that even before this has started, I can pick up things in groups, that there are certain challenges. And one thing I also want to mention to the community, whenever I go with law enforcement and with POPs, we go into the community. It's often our own community that stands up against us, fighting our law enforcement, telling us this is the only shop that we have. If you close the shop now, there's going to be trouble. So I'm asking the community, please work with us, because if the community stands up against our law enforcement, against POPs, then we have issues. Because then at the same time, you're creating the situation of taking away a job opportunity. And so please allow the law enforcement to do their work. When we go into the community, please take our hand. Please don't work against us. But we acknowledge the memorandum being handed over. We will work with you. As long as it's peaceful, as long as it's respectful, we will work with you. That I commit to you. Thank you very much.